Today is May 25th, National Barbecue Week. It is the ultimate excuse to dust off the grill, gather your friends, and embrace the mouth-watering world of open flame cooking. The tradition has grown from historic regional cooking styles into a massive, beloved global pastime that officially kicks off the outdoor dining season. Today, people mark the week by firing up gas or charcoal grills, testing out secret family rub recipes, and slathering savory sauce on everything from beef burgers and ribs to grilled corn and pineapple. And this outdoor cooking craze is absolutely massive. In fact, 3 out of 4 households now own their own grill, transforming backyard barbecues into the ultimate social event. So whether you're smoking a rack of ribs, flipping classic burgers, or just enjoying some fresh air with friends, May 25th has something for everyone. If you want to learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.